Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of turning your passion into a real paycheck? Maybe you've thought about starting a YouTube channel but have no idea where to begin. You see all these creators making a living from their videos and wonder, how do they do it? Well, today I am pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how you can go from 0 subscribers to actually earning money right here on YouTube. It might seem like a huge mountain to climb, but what if I told you there's a roadmap? A proven system that takes the guesswork out of it all? That's what I want to talk about today. The Digital Wealth Academy, or DWA course. This isn't just another online tutorial. It's a complete step-by-step guide designed to help you build and monetize your YouTube channel from the ground up. We're talking about everything from finding your perfect niche to creating content that people love and, most importantly, turning those views into income. So, what's inside? The DWA course breaks down over 20 different ways you can make money on YouTube. Yes, 20. Many people think it's all about ads, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll explore affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by recommending products you love. We'll dive into selling your own digital products, like ebooks or presets, which can create a steady stream of passive income. Plus, we'll cover brand sponsorships, fan funding, channel memberships, and so many more strategies that most new creators completely overlook. The goal is to diversify your income streams. Why? Because relying on just one method is risky. The DWA course teaches you how to build a resilient business around your channel, so you're not just a YouTuber. You're a media entrepreneur. It shows you how to optimize your videos for the YouTube algorithm, design eye-catching thumbnails that get clicks, and write descriptions that drive traffic. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Imagine finally getting that first payment from YouTube. Imagine seeing your passion project turn into a sustainable career. That's what the DWA course aims to do. It's about transforming your channel from a hobby into a profitable business. If you're tired of guessing and ready for a clear plan to maximize your earnings, this is the resource you've been looking for. It gives you the tools, the knowledge, and the confidence to succeed. Ready to start your journey from zero to profit? Check out the link in the description below. To learn more about the DWA course and how it can completely transform your YouTube channel. Stop dreaming and start doing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. See you in the next video.